Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I will be explaining, Today I will be explaining how to make your own mining turtle. Now, there are a few things you will need before you start. I personally hate coding inside the turtle, so I like to use Visual Code Studio right here. Visual Studio Code. I'm sorry. Just looks like this, right? This won't, so, you'll want, whatever, just download Visual Code Studio, or Studio Code. It's pretty simple. Now for this example, I will be making it on my server. I will show you how to find the, Lua thing, but first thing you want to do is go on your game, right, get a turtle, right, just any turtle you want, and then just place it somewhere, right, and then you can pick it up. First thing you need to do, you can open the turtle by right clicking it and then type make directory, right, mkdir space, and then name it like custom or something like that. After you do that, nothing will happen, but if you type dir, you'll see that you have a custom one. So now, what you want to do is pick up the mining turtle. Here. I'm just going to give myself a pickaxe. So you want to pick up the mining turtle, right? And then it'll have an ID. So this one's 13. So then what you want to do is go to your world save location, which mine is on my desktop, right here, because it's a server. Open it up, and then you will have all this. You'll go to your world, and inside your world you'll see a folder called computer. You can open it, and you'll see all your mining turtle IDs. Now, so 0, 1, 2, 3. The one that we made is called 13 right here. 13 right here. So we want to go into the 13 folder. Now we can see this custom file. What I like to do is go back to your world, and what you can do is you can drag the computer file from your folder right here to here. Also, in Visual Code Studio, I do suggest getting a single plugin, or some plugins. I like to use ComputerCraft right here. This one, I think. Is this the one? I don't remember. No, I think I used the other one. There's another one. This one right here. This one, ComputerCraft Extension Pack. You can just look it up in the marketplace, really. Just look up ComputerCraft. It's this one right here. And then you'll need Lua and ComputerCraft, so these two, you'll need it right here. It should automatically install them, I'm not sure. So now what you can do is in Visual Code Studio, you can click down or go inside the folder right here, and then right click, new, text document, and make sure you can edit the end. So if you can't see that .txt right there, click on file name extensions right there. So rename, and then just rename it to mining.lua, and then just press yes, right? In here in Visual Code Studio, what you want to do is you want to click on this little button right here, and then name it mining, or whatever you want it to be called, .lua, right? But we're going to be using the one that we made, this one. So the first thing you want to do is like, what do you want to do with the turtle? Like, how do you want it to do? So for this example, we're just going to make a simple one that goes forward, that goes like 64 blocks out, and then it turns around and mines back. I will show you guys how to. Or it's going to mine 32 blocks in one direction. Or no, let's do 16 blocks. You can change this. You can make it whatever you want. So ignore that. So if you downloaded the extensions, when you do, you'll see that you can do turtle dot So, and then you have all the stuff the turtle can do. right? You can like dig, drop down. And if you want to put stuff in a chest with the turtle, just do turtle drop down, or wherever the chest is. Maybe drop up if the chest is above you, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. So, what we're going to be doing with this turtle is we want it to go 32 blocks forward, and then turn around, or 16 blocks forward, turn around, and mine this strip. So it's going to go like that. It's going to go on this path, and then turn around, and then come in this path. And then you can make it loop, and so it just keeps mining. And it'll automatically place chests if you give it chests, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, basically. It's very simple, if you know what you're doing. So, first thing you want to do is you want to make a true loop, just like so. If you're in Visual Code Studio, type true, and then it should have an automatic fill if you have Lua installed. And then you can just hit tab and it'll automatically fill it out for you, so you don't have to add this end, which is actually pretty nice. So now this will loop the program, right? So if we have, this will loop the program over and over again and over again, unless you stop the turtle, right? Or break the turtle. So first thing we want to do is, we want to try to refuel the turtle, right? Refuel, right? And then make sure you put these right here. This is Lua, so you don't have to put semicolons if you're, a JavaScript coder. You don't have to put semicolons, thankfully. Thank God. You will see that turtle is underlined, and if you hover over it and scroll down, you'll see turtle is not defined. Just ignore that. It's because stuff. But you'll see the amount of stuff you could do. You could do like turtle dig down, dig up, and it'll tell you what you could do. So what we want the turtle to do is, the first thing we want it to do is mine forward. So let's say we placed the turtle right here, right? This is our turtle? Yeah, okay, let's get rid of this turtle, actually, that one. So this is our turtle. We want to place it. First thing we need to do is make it mine forward, okay? If you wanted to, what you could have in the start of your program, if you place it like this, where you have a block underneath it and a block right here, you could, at the start of your program, when it starts up, you can have turtle.dig up, and then make sure you have it in, oh, whoops, too many brackets. Make sure you put it, oh my god. And make sure you put it in these brackets right here. Damn phone. And then for .dig down, for example. Right? And then, so this will break. So the dig up will break this block. The dig down will break this block right here. So then, I don't believe you do need fuel. I don't think you need fuel to mine blocks. I'm not sure. But if you do, what you could do is before this line, you can put it right here. We'll find out in a little bit. So, now we want to start moving the turtle. So the first thing we need to do is turtle.dig, and basically what the dig one will do, because we're not defining up or down, what it will do is it will mine right in front of it. So this face right here, the little face, it will mine this block. So it's gonna dig this block, right? And then we want it to go turtle.forward. This will move the mining turtle forward, obviously, it's kind of self-explanatory. Also, by the way, in this refuel command, you set an amount. So you could set 16, and it will only use 16 of the fuel, right? So if we had 64 wood blocks, it would only use, it would leave 45. I think 45. I don't know. I can't do quick math. But yeah, basically how much fuel you want to use. But we're gonna leave that empty, so it's gonna use all the fuel it can. So after digs forwards, we're just going to do turtle.dig up. Now, if you were making a 2x2 mine, turtle.dig up is all you need. But we're going to make a 3x3 mine, or a 3 high mine. So 1, 2, 3, to get more blocks, obviously. So turtle.dig up, whoops. And then turtle.dig down, right here. So basically, all this code is doing is, when the turtle starts, pretty much, what it's doing is it's digging up, it's digging down, and then, this is a loop, So it's going to refuel the turtle. It's going to dig forward. Then it's going to move forward. Then it's going to dig up. Then it's going to dig down. And then it's going to cycle. It's going to repeat. So it's going to refuel, dig, forward, dig down, dig up, refuel, dig, forward, dig up, dig down. So this is a basic mining turtle right here. This is pretty much all you need to do. If you're making a very, very simple line straight, just it'll go straight, it won't stop ever, right? This is how you would do it right here. All right here. Like, this is all the code. Like, all of it. So then what you can do is you could do the mining or whatever you name this Lua file. If you didn't put it in custom or whatever, if you put it in custom, what you'll have to do is custom or whatever the file name is and then whatever you name the Lua file. But we named ours just mining in the main directory right here. So this custom folder, you could delete this custom folder if you made it, but it doesn't matter. So then you can do mining. And as you can see, it's mining. Oh, wait, what? Oh, so the turtle didn't have any fuel, so you need to give it fuel, obviously. If it doesn't have fuel, it won't move. It will still mine, apparently. I don't know how that makes sense, but yeah. So, as you see, as soon as it gets fuel, it will continue mining. Right there. And boom, very simple turtle. You know, it'll get ores and all that stuff. So this is a very basic turtle. So yeah, this is a extremely basic, like anyone could make this turtle pretty much. You only need like 9 lines of code, and somebody who's way smarter than me could probably make it only 2. But yeah. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make. So to make our code look nicer, what we're gonna have is we're gonna put this in a function. A function is I don't really know how to describe what a function is, but just it's a function. So what we could do is function, and then name it whatever you want. We're gonna name ours mine. So as you see, it says mine is not defined, but so what you can do, select all this code, and then you want to copy it and move it inside this mine thing. So now you want to just delete all this right here, right? And then type mine right here. This will trigger the function right here. So you always want to have your functions before you trigger them. If you have the function after, so if we put this down here below this, then it won't work. So like if we put this function right here, it won't work. You have to define it before you run it, if that makes any sense. So pretty much keep all your functions on the top. And if you're calling a function inside of a function, like a torch, torch, you'll have to have the function up here above mine, if that makes any sense. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, this is another basic. This will work too. This will do the exact same thing. It's just that we're using functions. So mining, as you see, it does the exact same thing as it was doing last time. So yeah, again, you can stop now, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a very simple way to place what should we do? Place torches automatically. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna do we're up here, we're gonna type in local and then blocks. Oh, whoops, that's not how you do it. You're gonna type in local blocks equals 0. So as you can see, this is a variable. You know, we could do like print blocks, as you can see, print blocks, and it's just gonna print 0 every single time we move or do this. So what we can do, or what we're gonna do is we're gonna do blocks, or hold on, I forgot how to do. Okay, yeah, you just okay, I remember. I forgot for a second. You're gonna do blocks plus blocks. So basically, you're just adding itself together. Plus, wait, no. Blocks equal. Okay, so basically, what this is doing right here is it's increasing this blocks variable by 1. So blocks plus 1, right? Very simple. Are you joking? And this is very basic, right? Yeah. So that's how you do that. And now every single time you'll move the turtle, or the turtle will move a block, it'll print that. So as you can see, yeah, 1, and then it should say 2, 3. It's a little weird, but on how it works. But yeah. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, and we're gonna do if blocks equals equals. Now you want to have this double equals sign. Yeah, double equals, and then equals whatever amount of blocks. So let's say if you go like if you go 16 blocks, we want to place a torch. So if blocks equals 16, then you. So then what we could do is turtle dot place and then down. I'm gonna use down, but you can use just place if you wanted to. But if you do use place, it's gonna place it on the walls. If you use place down, it's gonna place it on the floor. Like that's how it works. So place down. And this is so because how we're gonna do it later is we're gonna go forward and then we're gonna come back, and the turtle might break the torch on the wall. So we're just gonna do place down. And how this basically works is it will place the item, it will place whatever item is in its selected slot. So by default, the selected slot is this slot, slot 1. A turtle has, I think it's 16 or 15. Here, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 11. Yeah, 16 slots. It has 16 slots. So let's say you wanted slot 3, this slot right here, to be the torches slot. What you would do is right here you would do turtle.select, and then you would have 3. So basically you would want to place the torches here, and then it'll place down the torch, right? And if the torches run out and a block comes here like cobblestone, it'll place cobblestone below this block right, or yeah, it'll place cobblestone underneath it. But if it's torches, it will place torches below it, obviously. But we're just not going to do that. You can also have, like, if you're going to distribute this code, you could do local TO or torch torch slot equals, and then a slot. I'm just going to do 1, for example. And then right here, turtle select torch, TO torch slot. As you can see, this will just use the variable. So for now, it's 1. So we'll use the first slot. But we're not going to do that. If you wanted to, you could do that. Yeah, we're just going to do that to make it easier. We're just going to do it like that. So now every 16 blocks the turtle goes, it'll place a torch below it, if it has torches. So do we have any torches? I'm not sure if we have any torches. We do have torches. Okay. There is this weird bug. I'm looking into it, but the turtle might place all the torches in the stack it has. I have no clue why it does that. It just kind of does that for no reason. I don't really know why. I contacted the Discord about it, and they said they have no clue what that means. So, yeah, I'm not sure what's causing that. But it's going to place all of those torches we put in there. Like, now they're gone. I don't even know where they went. So, yeah, I'm not... What the hell happened to all the torches? Huh, it used all the torches. Okay. Wait, what? So if you wanted to like print torch placed, you would have to put it in these little things, these quote lines. If you don't, then it's going to think this is a variable, but it's not. So you want to do it like that. Now, you could use this for debugging, for example. That's what I'm doing. Mining. And then you could look in the turtle thing. I don't know. But, yeah. The turtle is a little bit weird. I don't know why it placed all the torches. But if you need help with this, what you could do is you could go to the tweaked.cc and look at the documentation for the turtle, and see all the cool stuff you can do with the turtle. So we're not going to really use this at all. And to disable a line, you could do -- like that. We won't place torches because, in my experience, they're buggy. But we will make it so every single 32 blocks the turtle goes, it'll automatically place a chest down and then rotate and then go back. This is actually way easier than it seems. Seems way harder, but it's actually pretty easy. So now we're going to do if blocks equals 16, right? Then end. We could do chest, right? And this will call the function called chest. Obviously, there's nothing called chest, so what you want to do is make a new function chest, and then you could do in here you could do I'm trying to figure out how we would do this. Turtle dot place down, and then that. First, you want to select the slot, so turtle dot select, and then 2. So the chest will go in the second slot of the turtle. So you'll put your torches here if you figure out how to use the torches thing, and you'll place your chest here. We're gonna use the chest thing. You can get rid of this now because we're not gonna use it. But this will select the second slot and then place the chest down. Now we're gonna do four inventory. For inventory equals 1 through 16, right? Just like this. You'll type this. For inventory equals 1, comma 16. Do. You'll do turtle dot drop down and then inventory. So basically what this is doing is it's cycling through the inventory, or hold on, I'm sorry. Turtle dot select inventory. So basically what this code is doing is it's cycling through the inventory. You don't need this part, sorry. This will cycle through the inventory and drop everything in its inventory into the chest. If you wanted to just drop an item on the ground, don't hover over a chest. That's how you would do that. And make sure you're not going to place the chest down. So for example, since the second slot is already used, we're going to set this to 3. So it won't clear these 2 slots, but anything past the prisoner, it's going to put into the chest, right? It's going to deposit that into the chest. So this is a very simple automatic dropping thing, right? So it's a little bit advanced and stuff. But this is the turtle this is the program I used to mine up this ginormous area. It does work. It works very well. I'm gonna admit it. And Lua is a very, very easy language to learn. It's the same language Roblox uses to make its games work. It's a very, very easy language. That's the main reason I like it. So oh shoot, you can't vein mine chest. Okay. Oh, looks like we're breaking these all by hand. Crap. Well, that sucks. It's a very easy language to learn. Very, very easy and simple. So now we'll place our chest in the second slot, and you can place whatever you want right here. So like you can place diamonds right here, or whatever you don't want the or the turtle to place in the chest. So we're just gonna put, for example, inferium essence, or no, dirt. Let's say we need a bunch of dirt. Just put the dirt here. That way it won't deposit it into the chest. So then you could do mining, and then as you can see, it will start mining. Very simple. What I do suggest, if you're going to print the amount of blocks the turtle is going, what I would do is I would print it before the mine or you'll put that print function, or the print right here before the mine. It just makes it so it's more accurate, kind of, I guess. Yeah, I guess that's what you could call it. Hold on. When it triggers the chest, is the block below it? Yes. Okay. So, so then mining. Oh, wait. Make sure you have the chest in there. And as you can see, it's mining along. It's 3 blocks, so, you know, yeah, it's 3 blocks. And now it should place the chest soon, hopefully. Try and keep up with the turtle. And now this won't loop around yet. We'll do that right now, in a second. So as you see, the turtle placed down, and it just cleared out in its entire. Why is there TNT? So yeah. Oh god, turtle's running away. Turtle's running away. Hold on, mad turtle. Oh god, open it. And to end a script, hold down to Control T, and then boom, it ends the script. Okay. Oh, that's right. Okay, I almost completely forgot. So, in here, what we need to place in this turtle, or in this inventory thing, is right after this end, we need to type in blocks equal 0. This will reset the blocks variable, because if you don't reset it, it's just going to keep counting up, and if it keeps counting up, it won't ever place the chest again. So, make sure you do that. I completely forgot. You know, you always want to do some debugging on your code, you know. So we're going to set up a turtle. What the heck is that? We're going to set up the turtle right here, so we can actually see it go along. Mining. Oh, whoops. Almost forgot the chest. I keep forgetting to put the chest in. So as you can see, it's mining away. And then it's gonna eventually place down the chest. Now, it did miss that last slot last time, and to prevent that, you just want to put that 16 to a 17 to just, you know, and then as you can see, it deposits its inventory, goes through its inventory, and then it keeps going. You know, very simple little turtle, and this will keep going indefinitely, unless it runs out of fuel and it can't find coal. Yeah, that's a very simple turtle. But let's say we wanted the turtle to come to the chest, or come all the way over here, place the chest, and then turn around and go that way, and then just kind of like shimmy through. That's how this one worked. I'm going to show you how to do that. So, here, we'll spread the chest. So, when we get here, we need to turn left, go forward, turn left again, and then continue our code. So, so we need to left, okay, hold on, forward, and then left again. And then for the end of the tunnel, right, once we get over here, we need to turn, wait, is that, no, I'm sorry. We need to turn right, I'm sorry. You need to turn right, and then this. So, and then for this one, left. So to do this, what you're going to do is beneath your chest thing, you're going to write another if, or nope, that's not how we're going to do it. We're going to have a new thing called turn in here, new function, so go above the chest, or either right here or right here. I like to just put it on top. Turn, so that's what we named it. Now what we're going to do is if, so we're going to make a new variable called turn, local turn equal 0. Now this will keep track of the turns, right? So in here, type if turns equals 0, then then turtle dot left, turn turtle left, and then we can do turtle turtle dot dig, whoops, turtle dot dig, and then so it's gonna dig, and then it's gonna go forward, turtle dot forward, right, and then it's gonna dig down, turtle dot dig up. So it'll make that 2x2 hole, right? Up. Make sure you have it capital. If you don't have it capital, it might mess up. Yeah, so like so. Forward, dig down, that. Let's see, what's this? Oh, wait, what? I don't know. So then dig up, dig down. Oh, and then turtle dot dig, or turtle dot turn left. Or right, whoops, right, that's right. It's supposed to be right, I'm sorry. Right, and then right. So this will make the turtle turn right, and then continue going. Then you want to put an else if turn equals 1. Oh, in here you want to put turn equals 1 at the end. And then put else if turn equal 1. Then we're pretty much going to copy and paste this in here. But instead of turn right, we're going to turn left. So left. And, oh, whoops, left. So you can see, very simple. This should be indented, I believe. And then that should be like that. No. Wait. This part doesn't really matter. It's just, it makes it look better, I guess. I think it goes like this. I don't know. I don't really care about indenting that much. And then you want to do turn equals 0. So we're resetting it to make it turn right, pretty much right here. Now with an else if in turtle language, you only need one end. You don't need multiple ends. I got confused on that when I started originally. Oh, whoops, it says turn, not turns. Whoops. And that's messed up a little bit. And yeah, this should be your very basic turtle mining thing right here. So the place torch doesn't work. I don't know why. I'll see if I can get it working. So you and then mining. Make sure to put your chest in there. And if it doesn't have any fuel, it'll burn the chest. So I suggest putting like a few coal pieces in here. Or no, actually, no, it won't use the chest. Wait, what? It did close though. Okay, just chuck another end in there. So we need 2 ends because there's an if and we didn't end it. So function end, and then this end is for this if. So pretty much put it here, I believe, right here, just to make your code look better. I don't know why it didn't autofill that. That's why. So yeah, make sure you always end your stuff, like functions end, your if variables and stuff. So as you can see, it's working. It's going at it. It's just breaking, you know. It should automatically deposit. And see, we'll check some more stone in there so you can see it actually deposits in. And we're going to actually change something real quick. We're going to change this 16 into a 17. So it drops and then as you can see, it drops the entire inventory. Okay, what? Oh, God, stop, turtle, stop. Oh my God. Okay, why did that happen? I think I know why that happened. I don't know why it didn't run that, but okay. Okay, I'm still learning, so just give me a second, okay? I'm sorry. Hold on. Don't know how I screwed this up. So just, it says turn in here. Alright, but basically in your chest thing right here, you want to put your turns thing in here. I don't know why it doesn't want to put that. just put that above this, I guess, just to make sure. Oh, whoops. Don't put this here. Just put it at the end. Okay, so now it should hopefully work, I hope. Mining. Oops, that's not nice. Mining. Place some chests in there and go. If you wanted to, you could set this blocks to 0, but that might mess up the code, so just leave it like that. This is actually 1, so it's actually 6 blocks, and then 7, and then whatever. What's this? I don't know what that is. I'm not going to walk in it. I don't want to risk anything. I have no clue. So as you can see, it placed the chest. And if it has anything in its inventory... okay, I guess it just doesn't want to do that then. And then, stop sleep. We're just going to sleep it for a second so it can just take a time out. Why is it not dropping the entire inventory? It should be dropping the entire inventory. It's being a bit weird, I guess. Doesn't want to work. Okay, so mining. Hopefully this should work. Right? And then, yeah, it'll just continue going. And as you can see, it's just mining this top block. It doesn't mine air. And then, okay, what? Oh, whoops. So, since it didn't have any chests, it didn't place the chest down. I completely forgot. Oh, whoops. So, as you can see, it's going to, okay, just completely ignore the function. That's cool. Oh, I'm sorry. So, I completely forgot. You cannot have, so, if you have a function, right, for example, oh, whoops. If you have a function, and a variable, you can't name it the same. I'm such an idiot. You can't name it the same. So you have to name it something else. So you can't have, like, a function named test and a variable named test. It won't work. It'll think you're trying to call the variable or something, do something with the variable, which you're trying to call the function. Such an idiot. So as you can see, oh, whoops, I forgot the chest again. Okay, don't worry. You just please make sure you put the chest in there, please. I keep forgetting. I don't know why. So it should do this all. It'll take 1 second on each inventory slot, and then as you can see, it'll mine that, and then it'll continue going like this. Right? So it's doing it all. It's doing it right. And then it's going to come all the way over here, and then it's going to place the chest down right there, I believe. Let's see. And right there, it placed the chest, and it emptied out its inventory, or at least tried to. It's going very slow. Right, so I'm going to shove some stuff in here for an example. As you can see, the dirt is in there, ferrum is in there, and the more cobblestone is in there. And then it's just going to continue doing this over and over and over and over again until it either runs out of fuel or you stop it. So that's a very simple mining turtle. I hope everybody enjoyed. The code that I written very poorly will be in the description down below if you want to get it. It will be down there if you want to use it. The torch thing, I don't know why that didn't work. It placed the entire stack of torches. I'm not sure why. But yeah, so, you know, cool little mining turtle doing its job. I am working on a different mining turtle that will actually go to a home position. That's what this is right here. But that's currently in the works. So it'll actually go to a predefined location and drop all its inventory off and then continue mining wherever it left off. That's going to be kind of difficult. So I'm working on a go-to script first before I start that. But yeah, I'll continue to update everybody on how this is going. And yeah, so pretty fun project. Again, very basic. There's tons of stuff you could do with the mining turtle though. There's tons and tons and tons of stuff that you could do with the mining turtle. Here, I'll show you the documentation. There's tweaked.cc. As you can see, this is the computer craft, this is the one that I like to use. So you can read up on all of this and it'll help you, broadcasting. But the main thing you want to focus on is the turtle API right here, this turtle part. And there's tons of stuff you could do with it. It's pretty self-explanatory what you could do with it, like transfer to, get selected slot, get fuel limit. It's very cool, very nice. Again, this documentation is like excellent. Everything you need is in here. But yeah, so just mess around, experiment, have fun, and if you need any help, you can contact me on Discord or you can join their Discord, which can be found. Where is it? You can look up computer craft Discord, and then right here there should be a Discord server somewhere. I don't know where it is. I will leave a link to the Discord server and Tweaked CC and the documentation down in the description. So make sure to check that out if you need help. You can also, But if you need any help, again, go to the Discord. They are very nice. But yeah, that's it. I hope this helped you make your very first mining turtle. And yeah, see ya. Trying to find the window.